Hi, I'm Martin. You might know me from the series You Got Me Up.
Not only am I an actor here at RVADelivered Studios, I'm also a brand ambassador for the company.
Today I want to tell you about how you can work with us. We are looking for talented creators that have interesting stories to tell. You don't need any prior background. You don't have to show your face, and you don't even have to use your own voice. All you have to do is be willing to learn a few skills that can be learned in a few hours. We would like to invite you to not only take our free training to learn how to create animated videos, but also try the same software we use for free also. If you like our training and software and want to work with us further, we would love to have you. Our goal is to create our own network that will include short stories, full-length movies, news broadcast, podcast, you name it. The best part about it is that we do not need to spend money on million-dollar studios or paid actors, and we don't even have to leave home. If you are interested, I want you to click the link in the description of this video where you can start learning today. And in the words of our CEO, skills pay bills, get you some.